automatic CNC cutting solution for fiberglass and rubber insulation sheet. In insulation manufacturing, precision and consistency make all the difference. Introducing the FalkonMac 5-axis CNC cutting machine, engineered for processing fiberglass insulation boards and a wide range of insulation materials. Using a high-speed oscillating knife system, the machine cuts fiberglass cleanly and accurately without burning, melting, or damaging the material structure. The advanced 5-axis technology allows straight cutting, bevel cutting, grooving, and complex profile generation with excellent edge quality. From HVAC insulation components to industrial insulation parts and custom fabrication projects, the machine delivers reliable and repeatable production results. The intelligent nesting software automatically optimizes sheet utilization, helping manufacturers reduce waste and maximize material efficiency. A powerful vacuum holding system keeps every board securely fixed during processing, while laser positioning ensures precise alignment before cutting begins. The integrated marking system can identify parts, assembly references, and production information directly on the material, improving workflow throughout the factory. Fast setup, automatic operation, and user-friendly software make this machine ideal for modern insulation manufacturers looking to increase productivity while reducing labor requirements. Whether you process fiberglass insulation, mineral wool composites, phenolic boards, PU or PIR insulation panels, FalkonMac provides the accuracy and reliability your production demands.
FalkonMac 5-axis CNC cutting machine. Designed for insulation, built for productivity, engineered for precision. Available from La Rosa Machinery.